Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brad Pfaff Garage. We are loading up the Nova today, taking it back to my parents. Little brother's coming over for Thanksgiving from Missouri, and going to be picking the Nova up and taking this thing home so he can kind of get it wrapped up and get things going in the direction he wants to go with it. We did get some tires in for the back of it. I don't know if we're going to be able to get that done today or not. Trying to get this over there, get some hay picked up today for the horses, and get my camper ready for rifle season. So there's a lot going on this weekend. So let's get this thing on the trailer. That's always a chore. I wish it was fiberglass, but it's not. That is actually not bad. After that, we get it on here. That's close enough for me. Come a little further forward here. Just test it again. Can live with that. For sure. Now let's let this thing go. It does have a tranny leak, so we're going to need to put some fluid in it. Kind of leaked all over my floor, but they do that. That's why we keep extra fluid, right? I know I promised you guys burnouts, but not till I get tires on it. Alright, we got the Nova loaded up and we are going to go drop it off so little brother can get that picked up. And then we got to start making plans for our next project. And we've got a lot of stuff lined up already. It may involve a C10, it may involve an LS, it may involve a bunch of stuff. I think I'm getting a dirty look right now. But anyway.
We need to talk further about that.
I talk in my sleep sometimes.
Yes, you do, for sure.
But anyway, so yeah, I think we've got an LS swap coming up on a short bed C10 for my niece actually. So we're going to have a full build coming on that before too long. And that one will probably start as soon as we get Thanksgiving out of the way and start seeing what we need to do with that truck. The Nova going again. Quick little joyride. What do you think? A little noisy for you?
Yeah, I'm excited to ride in it.
Ready for a ride? All right, he took it for a little quick little short circle, and we're gonna have to get this thing off the ground and get the rear tires off of it. They are pretty dry rotted. And Amazon delivered right back here. So we'll get this thing off the ground and get the wheels jerked off of it. Yeah. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Somebody get to be where I am for their strength.
Thanks.
Push it down.
Yeah.
It's just lovely.
It's not going. Just the right size.
Look. Hand down here, pull up here, and just spin. Jump to the next one.
Oh, there you go. Just wait, you'll be vacuuming out all kinds of cobwebs and spider webs all over this thing.
It's barely messy in there. You should see the back of the car. The mess she makes in the back of the car.
Thanks.
Got them all loose?
Yep.
All right.
Firewood for the fun of it.
Still got the gap on you. Go up a few more times. There you go, you're off now.
Hey, okay. You're going the right way then. Now you can fling it.
Fling it like you mean it. It's an art that has to be perfected. You gonna take your driving test in this car?
Possibly.
Possibly. You can get your hair caught up in that.
Straight line, it'll spin.
You get all these videos you working on a car, you're gonna have boyfriends calling you from all over everywhere.
Jump to the other side now. Same thing.
I don't remember what side it was.
Just fit it on there. You got 1 in 4 odds of getting it. You didn't think I was going to do all the work, did you? Not when I got help around here.
I think that's all of them.
Okay, just stand up and grab, put your hand under right in the middle of the top of the tire where that beauty ring is.
There?
Yeah, stand up, it'll be easier for you.
Yeah,
There you go.
Come on.
Oh, push the top back in.
the bottom.
Now, there you go, now you can, there you go. There you go. Oh, muscles, look at that. You're hired. You can leave her here with me, I'll have her rebuilding engines in a week.
I've got projects at home too. Just gonna wait there.
Alright. Nope. Looks like he's going to be ready for a trip to the tire shop. Uh-oh, the rest of the help is here. You missed out. You made her do all the work.
I've been cooking.
You've been cooking.
Show up after the
I know. She's been watching out the window right there, so. All right. He is going to try and run to town tomorrow morning. Today's Thanksgiving, so no one's going to be open, of course, and the whole family's here for lunch, breakfast, and dinner. And get tires on this thing, and it's going to Missouri. And he's got a lot of time to go through, and I say he's got a lot of time. I don't know, they're building a new house too, so he's got a lot of tinkering to do before it's ready to go down the road. But it's roadworthy for around the block right now, and to get all the kids going, and just have some fun with it. Hey,
Have a drag race.
a drag race. Which one you? Oh, between the two of them. Just don't hit my truck. Yeah, don't hit my truck.
Right here.
That's good for now.
Did you get your hands dirty? You didn't get a nail broke or nothing, did you?
No.
No.
Card around our house.
Yeah. Can we flip this other one too?
Yeah, we'll take off these shiny rings just so they don't.
Yeah, your beauty rings. Tire shop will do havoc on them sometimes. All right. Are you guys gonna wrestle for who gets to drive it first or what?
She already called it.
She called it and you gave it to her that easy? Oh man. Why don't you tell me about the car?
Here's my dad, Noah. I don't want to know about it.
You know. You want to hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Andy.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Fire it up. Whoa! You like that?
Like that?
You ready for a ride?
Yeah.
I bet he gets tires in it tomorrow and you can go for a ride.
Yeah.
All right, Andy, what do you think?
Progress. It's been in the barn a lot of time, lots of years. The kids haven't really even got to
Mess with
see it or mess with it because they've been born in that amount of time.
I looked at your tag and I was thinking 12, 15 years. And the last time the tag was on it was in 2000. Didn't you graduate in 2000?
Graduated in 2000.
So it's been broke since, well, not broke, but you haven't driven it since high school.
Put this motor in it a little over 10 years ago.
That's kind of what I was thinking.
And by the time we got it going, I got a Jeep and we started doing the Jeep thing some more. And this got kind of pushed to the back. And then we moved around, we moved and moved. And
Had kid, had a kid, had a kid, had a kid.
keep going up. So I've been raising kids instead of building cars. So we're going to take it back to Missouri. We bought some land up there, finally have a barn to put it in. We're going to be a little bit of remodeling and building the house, and then we will keep this thing going a little bit.
It's about time. That's all I got to say.
Ready to do
I'm
some
tired of
cruising.
seeing all these cars just sitting around not getting used. So we're going to get this one sent back home, and then we have a C10 to build, and then a 70 Chevelle Super Sport to build.
By the way, this is a 71 Nova, not a 72.
Oh, we've been saying 69, 72. Oh, we had to look on the title and find out what it was. It's been so long, so. But they didn't change, I guess they changed more taillights and bumpers than they did body style at that point, so.
You know, we got a lot of cars laying around, it's hard to keep tabs on.
Exactly. It's not too often that you have your high school car, but I was talking the other day, and this is Andy's high school car. My middle brother Matt has this 70 Chevelle is his high school car, so all three of us have our high school cars. So we're trying to let everybody know you can keep your high school cars.
A lot of the Jeeps have come and gone, but the cars have we've kept.
Cars stay, but that's part of the fun. So, well, we're going to get this one wrapped up, and they're going to take it to Missouri. So just remember to like and subscribe, and keep watching because we've got more and more coming on. All right, guys. See ya.
Bye.